Hi everybody, Slash. Today we're going to be making jigsaw plays games with people. So yeah, if y'all haven't seen part 11, you should go watch it. Talk about him and killing his everybody. So yeah, he's going to be stopping 13. So yeah, let's go. You have nothing to do. So yeah, he has to arrive. He's there. So go stop him. I'm gonna go stop him. You go stop him. You the friend. Hi, pal. What do you want? I would say you're a good friend. Oh yeah, I'm a good friend. Well, you know what friends are for, right? What's the deal? Keep people asleep that night. Wait, what? Where is that bear trap? Hold on, guys. Oh. I got one chain, but I'm looking for something. He probably just gonna have to chain him up. I don't really know right quick because oh, there it is. I was about to say, where is it at? Never mind, guys. I found it. All right, let's put him on it. Got the bear trap. Ducky, no! Let the games begin. Yep, let the games begin, guys. Where am I? And how did I... Hold on. Jigsaw mask. I can't find it. Sucks. Wonder if it's in here. Guys, this is confusing. Hold on. Guys, this is crazy. Can't find it. I know, guys, I'm wasting time, but I can't find it. Man. Never mind. Found it. Wait. He's gonna be asleep like for a while. Because, yeah. There we go. We put it on there. Guess I can't find the paper. We'll just do it out of it. This is crazy. Whoa, help me! Help! I can't see anything. Hello, dude. I want to play a game. Most of your life, we could become my life, you know, the one I kidnapped you and saved you. I want to tell you that you need to start living your life. So, I want to play a game. Games are simple. All you have to do is come to me and find 2 keys to save your life. The clock's ticking to your salvation. So yeah, make it twice. The clock's ticking. How do I take this off? Wait. Found the key. Okay. Oh, shoot. And it almost triggered. Congratulations, you are mostly alive. But before you go, most people are so, oh, shoot. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive, but not you. Not anymore. So are you sure? Was that real? Yes. Wait, hold on. Let's go to Freddy. He kidnapped. Okay, we'll call the police. Didn't work. I will stop Bonnie, and he'll be finished. Alright, guys, so that was almost the last chapter. And yeah, we're almost done. 13 is going to be the last one, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you know, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you never ever miss a video, because it supports my videos, so I'll get more views. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Peace.